BBOI graphics make it innovative.
Welcome to BBOI graphics channel. Please subscribe to this channel and click on the bell button to get notified for every of my latest uploads on graphic designs and logos.
Welcome to BBOI graphic design. In this tutorial we're gonna build a stunning new logo, which is FC logo. So at our normal routine, we know we split our designing into 3 stages. That is the planning stage, the architectural stage, and the designing and finishing stage. So that is the 3 stages. We're gonna design this particular logo in this tutorial. Please stay with me to the end so that you can know how I exactly build this in a very simple way. So we're gonna start building it. Now we have, this is Corel Draw X7. We're gonna use it. Then we're gonna start building the logo here. Then the first thing we have to do is, actually this logo is FC. This one, the first logo, that is the plan we are doing. What we're doing now is the planning stage. Now this is a font which is times up that. That is why I make it easier for more people to understand. And this one is been drawn, so you don't need anything. It's just been drawn. And this one is what times New Roman. So it will make it more easier for people to follow along whenever I am starting to design this logo. Now let's start and get right into it. Now the first thing is to first draw the F. So we want to draw the F. This F is being drawn, so there is nothing, like we don't have any font there that makes it like this F, so it's just ordinary font. Then what we have to do is to draw first. Then we click on, then we draw with a rectangle, yeah, this way. Okay, I think this is okay for now. Then the next thing, after we've drawn the rectangle, then we duplicate the rectangle. Good. Then you double click on it so that you can rotate it, so that you press Ctrl. Make sure you press Ctrl so that it's easily to straighten the rectangle in horizontally. Now the next thing after this, then the next thing is to curve these sides. That is radius. So it is called radius. If you want to curve these sides, it's called radius. So we can make it more lovely to see when we see the F, man. Okay, it's good. Then we're gonna click on the shape tool so that we can curve it. We can curve it to become a radius. It's okay. Don't make it more. Don't make the radius to be much bigger. Just make it simple and okay. So it's okay this way. Then the next thing, after we have visualize this, then we're gonna move this and make this one align together. So you just click on the first object and press shift on the keyboard, then click on the second object, then you press T, so it goes up to the right top of the to the right top. Both of them will be aligned to the top of the object. The object will be aligned at the top. You can see it's been aligned at the top. When I move my ruler here, you can see this is aligned. Oh, that is good. That is what we really want. Then you click on the big shape tools here, or you can press F10, right click on it and click on convert to curve, or you can press Ctrl Q. That's the normal shortcut. Then you highlight this and bring this up. I think this is okay. Then you bring this to the side. Don't make it small, don't make it a longer rectangle, you make it a little, so it makes sense. So we're gonna design this, so it's, then you move this up, man. You move this up. Okay, then we're gonna click on this, then we drag it down here. Then you double click so that it's create another node so that we can move from that ended point of one node to the other. We can move it up, so just like this node. Okay, so we double click on it and click on this node and make it straight. Make sure it's straight. Is okay this way. So when you make it straight this way, you highlight it and drag it to the top a little. Just don't make it you drag it to the top a little, yeah. and let's check if our line is straight, although my hand is not straight. Well, it's really something that's good to always use a ruler to what, because you might not do anything that is manually done. I think there is always a mistake, so you have to make sure your line are straight and everything are intact before you can before you can be confident that you finish the logo. That this is okay this way. I think we've straightened it, and this, make sure this goes up a little bit, okay, and this comes this way, okay. Now the next step is to draw. So we're still on the architectural stage, we're drawing it. Then you move this, you right click on these and convert it to curve. We don't need it anymore, we don't need to visualize it anymore. This okay this way. Now the next step is to this one, we want to curve it out, we want to curve it inside it. So you click on the shape tool, then you double click on this and you create another node here. So if you have to drag it, it drags all the it drags all the lines there. So we don't want all the line, we just want a little out of it to be dragged. So you double click on this, then you double click on this. So we'll make sure this line and this line are what you make it to be straight, and they have the same distance from this line. And okay, we have only one line, double click on this, so we have two lines there. Now to determine it, just use a box. Let's just use a box here. So this is being aligned, then let's use this box from this particular edge and let's check it. So we have to move this to this one, so you click here, then move this at the edge of this. Okay, so we delete this, we don't want this anymore since we've known what we want to do. Then we drag these inside. Good. Then you right click on this, then you convert it to curve, or if you don't want to do it, just click here, convert to curve, to make sure you understand it. Then the next thing is to do the C. The C is a font, we've planned it before, it's a font that is being used. Then what you just do is to type in C, then you type in C, then you give it Times New Roman. This is Times New, this is what we originally used it. Then you drag these this way, then you check, okay, this is being dragged here, this is originally where it is. Then you drag this up a little bit. Good. Then these, you make sure, let's remove the outline and remove the fill and give it an outline. Then we're gonna remove this, let's remove what we want to use here. Now this, we don't need this first, so you just click on this knife tool, then you can cut it out, then remove this, so we don't need this anymore. Then we remove this also, we want to remove this also, we don't need that because there is nothing here, we don't need it. So you click here, you click on the knife, next intersection here, then you delete this. Okay, good. Then the next thing to do, so make sure this and this one, you make sure this align together. So we're gonna align this also, so you make sure everything is perfect what you're doing, so you don't make a silly mistake that will make your customers or clients or who you're designing to make sure, oh wow, this is not good, this is not good enough. So you have to make sure everything is intact. Then you select both of these objects, T goes up. Okay, so we're designing something. The next thing is to do is to this we have to make sure we have a double arrows there. That's what actually brings it. This 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, so we have 8 here. So we're gonna duplicate this, then drag these down. Good. Then drag this, yeah, drag this down a little bit. Good. Then the next step is to duplicate, then you move this. Good. Then duplicate, Ctrl D, Ctrl D. It's okay this way, I think it's okay. Then we're gonna adjust it now, then make sure this doesn't cross this space. So you use the shift key to select all, we're selecting 2 or more objects here, so that what you used to select. Then you select this, then you press E to make it center, to align center. Then you select this also, E, so everything is been aligned to the center here. I think this is more better this way. Then the next thing to do here, so after you've done this, right now you make this to come to this edge. Then the next thing, duplicate this line that has been drawn here. So you duplicate this, make it larger, then move this to the side, to the other side there. Good. Then you click on the smart fill tool, you smart fill it out. Then you delete this. This is unwanted back again. You right click, you give it non-color, then make sure just give it 1 or this is a line, so make sure this is also a line there. But first we're doing the architecture stage. I think this is okay this way. Then the next step we're gonna do is the designing and the finishing stage. Good. So we are moving forward and we are moving good. Now the next step is to do the designing and the finishing. Then the first one, this is blue color, ordinary blue color. We don't need any special color for this. Then we're gonna click on this freehand tools, then draw the freehand tool. You can draw it anyway and drag it here. Then right click on it to curve. Then you're gonna curve it here. You move this to the other side, then you curve this. Yeah, good. You curve this, you make sure it meets this edge. Good. Then after this, then we're gonna click on this tools here, or the freehand tools also, to from the starting point to the end point here, so where we want to smart field. So after you click there, you click on the smart field, then you smart field this. Okay, then you delete all this. We don't really want this again. Then you remove the outline. You right click on these to remove the outline. Then the little blue there, so we don't really want this. Yeah, so you're gonna drag it to the top here. Good. Then you click on the blue, that's the dark blue here. So we don't really have a color code or something. So I make sure everything is simple so you can understand it and you can get right into it, even if you don't have any fonts or any other things on your computer system. So you can design it anywhere. You can design it anywhere you find yourself. Then you click here. Then you click on this interactive filters. That's, you can press G to get it out. Then you drag it down. Yeah. Then you click here. Then you give it the original blue here. This blue. Good. Then escape. Then you move this inside. Then you move this in. Okay, so we're making something. Then after this, we're gonna give this blue color. This is blue also. Then this is pink, so we just ordinary pink. We don't need any special color for this also. Then this is pink color. Then this, we're gonna give it an outline, so you make sure there's no white in here. This is something white here. You drag it to the, so you make sure everything is intact. Then you use a line, you draw a line here again, then you smart fill it here. Then delete this and remove the outline, so as the normal routine. Then this is pink color, but this we're gonna use a special pink. We can use a special color, so it's just adding a black to the pink color. Then double click on this. After you double clicked, then you drag this down to make it good, 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 and good. Okay, good. Then we just click on the smart fill tools, then the interactive fill, sorry. Then you're gonna drag this down, then you give it the original color. Good. Then you make sure this goes inside, so this there is a single line there, you make sure there is no line there. You make sure, because actually displays there is something line there, so you make sure you don't have any traces. So you check this also, you make sure you don't have any traces. Good. Then this is so. Let's delete this now. Delete this, then delete this. Good. Then the next thing is to give this blue also. They have all blue. They are all blue without no outline. Good. Then we have this to be pink color. So I think we have a light pink color here. So you're gonna double click it and click on a light pink color here. This color. I think we've, so it's a magenta color, or you can, it's a pink or magenta color. So you, anyway, and how you want to call it, it's okay there. Now the next thing to do here is to what, is to use a splash. So you want to splash the sea, so this splashing, so we want to do the splashing here. So next we draw a box. So you just draw a box to make it more simple. So I don't really want to stress and make it more harder for you. Just use this. It's okay. There are many method being used by a lot of designer using Corel on YouTube, but I just want to make it more okay and more easier for you to get and grab. Good. 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 I think this is okay this way. Then you click on it and you smart field it. Sorry, yeah, smart. Okay, first let's move this out first, then we're gonna smart field this. Good. Then after we smart field it, then we're gonna delete this. We're gonna select all, then selecting all, then you click, you select the C also. You select all this and you select the C, then you click on the what's the trim. So you trim out all everything. So you moved all this out, so you're gonna move it out. So yeah, so you delete this, you move the pinks out, then you delete the ones that have the other ones, you delete it. Then these, you delete this also. Then you're gonna move this here, move this here, then reduce this, then move this here, move this here. Make sure this is reduced. So as you're making it to the top, you continue reducing it. So you make it, just use this, is just using a techniques. So you move this inside back, then you make sure these doesn't touches, so you drag these inside there. Sorry, we should have done this before, so because it's something we first must do first before doing this, but actually we've done it. And this, so let's leave that aside. Then we have, you should delete this. Good. Then these, we're gonna give it pink color and remove the outline by right clicking on this crossed white. Then you reduce this to make sure it's out of the normal thing. So it's okay this way. Then we just leave it like that, this way. So this is much, so you reduce it, so it's a little bit much, so you reduce this one also, so make it okay this way. Then we've designed a lot, then let's get the background. So you make it more eye catching, you grouped it, highlighting, then you drag everything, right click on it and click on group objects. Or if you don't want to do it that way, highlight it, then group objects here, or you can press Ctrl G. So you drag this there, then color yellow, we have a yellow color here. Then we have a gradient, so you click on the smart field, clicking here, then we want this radius, we want this elliptical fountain tool. So this is the ellipse. You use the ellipse, then you right click on it and you should order to the back of the layer. Then you click here and click on the logo and click on the background, then C and E to make it center. Then you drag these in. Good. So I'm making this from one of my YouTubers, which you want CFC logo. I'll help you develop this FC logo, so it's okay. So anyone you want, any design you want to design, just comment on below to make sure I designed it for you. So Ash, to my YouTube subscribers, so this is for my YouTube subscribers. Good. So I'm giving it out for everyone who want to use it, so it's good and okay. Good. You can make it smaller, okay? So you don't make it logo just big like that, so you make it more smaller to make it more readable and more understandable. Good. So thank you for watching, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel and watch my next logo in the next coming video. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe and click on the bell button to get notified for every of my latest upload and graphic designs and logo.